Hi and welcome to my 2-minute tips for the best life. I'm Coach Marta. This video is on how to develop mental fitness. Good news is that there are only 3 muscles at the root of anyone's mental fitness. This means that if you work on these 3 things, your happiness level, peace, and performance will drastically improve. First, we have to know our saboteurs. You can take the saboteur test in the link below. Knowing your saboteurs means having an awareness of how you stand in your own way. So the first muscle is called saboteur interceptor muscle. It's the red flagging of our habitual sabotaging thoughts and behaviors. The second muscle is a self-command muscle. We say no to our habitual ways and create new neural pathways. This one is our mental weightlifting. The third part is to flex our sage muscle. Sage lives in the part of our brain associated with positive emotions, peace, calm, clear focus, and creativity. Sage powers include empathy, curiosity, innovation, and laser focus action. So what I'm saying here is that it's really possible to shift from saboteur to sage response in our life, even in tough challenges. And the speed and depth of the shift depends on one's mental muscle. Success requires intense initial practice. You can't gain muscle by lifting 5 pounds twice a week. My mental fitness group coaching program is designed to build this muscle for you. It's a mental fitness training program. There's an app and it prompts you to practice 15 minutes a day for 6 weeks, which builds a strong base for your mental fitness so that the results are strong and lasting. If the idea of mental fitness speaks to you and you'd like to practice, sign up for my program. Your life will never be the same.